Subtracting mixed numbers follow the same idea like the addition of mixed numbers. The idea is whole number with whole number, fraction with fraction. So in a case like this, I'm going to subtract my whole number with my whole number. So 9 minus 2, that gives me 7. And then I subtract my fraction with my fraction. The two fractions have the same denominator, so I can just say 3 over 5 minus 1 over 5, that gives me 2 over 5. And that's my answer. But what if our denominators are different? For example, 10 and a half minus 7 and an eighth. In a case like that, we do exactly the same thing again, but we recognize that our denominators are different. So the first thing that we should do is ensure that our denominators are the same. So I'm going to rewrite this problem with the common denominator. Remember, the way that we do that is we see the timetables of 2 and 8. The first number that we come across, which is 8, that is what our denominator will be. So I can write this as 10 something over 8 minus 7 and something over 8. The something over 8 is 1 over 8 already. I know that. Ask myself to move from 2 to 8, what should I do? I would have to multiply this 2 by 4. If I would have to multiply the 2 by 4, I have to multiply the numerator 1 by the same 4, so it becomes a 4 here. Now that my denominators are the same, I could go ahead and simply do my subtraction. 10 minus 7, that gives me 3. And then 4 over 8 minus 1 over 8, that gives me 3 over 8. And that is usually what you do when you are subtracting mixed numbers. Just like addition of mixed numbers, where you're going to do whole number with whole number and fraction portion with the fraction portion.